Create a Kotlin file. Open your referred Kotlin IDE or text editor. Create a new Kotlin file named AnimalKitty. Define the animal class. Inside AnimalKitty, define a class name animal with properties name and species. Kotlin AnimalKitty open class animal val name string val species string often makes sounds println this name makes sounds. Create a function in the animal class. The function makes sounds has been added in the animal class to print a generic message like this: animal make makes a sound. Kotlin Kotlin already include about. Define subclasses. Define two subclasses of animal, dog, and cat. Ensure that both subclasses inherit from the animal class. Kotlin AnimalKitty class dog name string species string val read string animal name species override fun make sound println bark class cat name string species string val read string animal name species override override fun make sounds println meow. Add properties to subclasses. Properties name species or breed are already added to both dog and cat subclasses. Override function. The mix sounds function is overridden in each subclass to print specific sounds for dog and cat. Create instances of subclasses in a separate Kotlin file or within a main function. Create instance of dog and cat. Initialize the properties with appropriate values. Kotlin main kitty fun main val dog max canine labrador val cat Luna feline Persian. Call function on the subclass instances. Dog makes sounds should print bark. Cat makes sounds should print meow. Call function on subclass instances. Call the make sound function in subclass instance. Verify that correct sounds are printed. Kotlin already include in the main function above. Demonstrate inheritance. Modify for the properties or function in the animal class. Confirm that changes are inherited by the subclass. If necessary, override properties or function in the subclass to customize behavior. Test inheritance change. Create an additional subclass that inherits from dogs such as bulldog. Ensure that properties and functions defined in the animal class are accessible in a new subclass. Kotlin AnimalKitty class bulldog name string species string breed string dog name species breed override fun make sounds println woof. Main kitty fun main val dog max canine labrador val cat Luna feline Persian val dog equals bulldog rex canine English bulldog dog makes sounds should print woof can make sounds should print purr bulldog makes sounds should print woof.